Hey everyone, and welcome back to CentLinux. If you're managing workloads in AWS, you already know that controlling traffic is critical, but creating and organizing firewall rules can get messy fast. That's where firewall rule groups come in. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own firewall rule group in AWS step by step. No fluff, just clear, practical steps to help you lock down your cloud infrastructure like a pro. So grab your coffee, open up your AWS console, and let's dive right in.